In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align and layer pictures in a Microsoft Word document for a cleaner, more polished look. Whether you're working on a presentation, a report, or simply creating a visual document, knowing how to manipulate images can make your work stand out. Let's dive right into the process. Firstly, open up the Microsoft Word document where you'd like to insert your pictures. It's important to ensure that the images you're planning to use are readily accessible. This means having them saved either on your computer or in a place where you can easily drag and drop them into your Word file. Preparation at this stage can save you time and eliminate any hassles later on. Now let's focus on aligning these pictures. Place your first image where you desire in the document. Once you've done that, you'll want to add a second picture. Now drag this second image over the first one. Pay attention to the alignment, as you can create some visually appealing overlays by adjusting the position of the images. Aligning correctly is crucial because it sets the foundation for any additional editing you'll do later. Move the images slightly if needed to get the right fit, as this step will ensure they complement each other without one overshadowing the other. At this point, you may want to adjust how these images layer over one another. Right-click on the image you want to configure, and you'll see options to send it to the back or bring it to the front. This capability to manipulate the order allows you to prioritize which picture is more dominant visually. Choose Send to Back if the current image needs to be behind another one, or Bring to Front if it should be more prominent. The choice depends on what aspect or portion of the image you want to highlight in your document. By using this feature, you can create some sophisticated and visually engaging designs. And there you have it. You've successfully aligned and layered your images within Microsoft Word. This process, while simple, can significantly enhance the appearance and professionalism of your documents. As you become more comfortable with these steps, you'll find it easier to experiment with different alignments and overlays to achieve the exact look you're aiming for. Trust that with practice, your ability to manipulate images within Word will become second nature. Keep these tips in mind and don't hesitate to revisit them as you continue to refine your skills. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.